welcome Earth and ouch! God damn it. So guys, welcome back to the video. Da 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 da. Oh boy. I hope it's severe. Oh my god, this is new laptop, yeah? Sussy baka. You. Oh, ouch. Let's go, baby.
Fuck this. Fuck this.
Oh, hell, man. Let's go. You know what I'm gonna do? Press the mug repair. Beep. Uh-oh, watch out. Oh, wait a minute. Uh-oh. What the hell? I'm feeling alright, guys. No! Hey. Can you go stand up? Because, oh, no! Watch out! Your discretion. Oh, on the board.
What happened?
You don't. Oh, a very fun call. Nice mat, yeah? What the frick he's talking about? Because you want to know something. It's mine. Hello, sussy baka. What are you doing here? What are we doing? My name is Gustavo. Papa boy, Papa boy. Oh my god, don't sick on you friggin' get out of here. Cause Sam is Sam. Ah! Hey man, if you want to go today, let's go. Haha, I scared you. I can finally drink some of the hot sauce chili. Oh, what the? Oh my god, it's a nice, good freaking fridge. What the hell? Don't scratch me. Hey, bro, a phone call. Yummy bacon soup, yeah. Hey guys, would you want an ice cream? And lettuce, foo. What the dog doing? Welcome, da 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 da. Oh my god, what the hell, man? I'm gonna go home. Oh! I'm gonna get the. I will say the A word. Don't. Oh my god. Down, boy, view. Ah! Oh! Because, no. Oh, you see my buddy.
Fuck you, shut up.
I can drink some of homemade lean. Oh. Hey man, you wanna try something? What is it? These nuts? Got him. Ha. Oh. So you. Hey bro, I got a phone call. Hello? Can I taste something question for you? These nuts? Oh, what the hell? Try this food. More food. Have you tried soup yet? Okay, fine. Oh my god. Oh, we got sad. What the? These nuts, Oh. What the? What? Oh my god. Hey Jimmy, jump. I'm feeling romantical. Oh my god. Oh. Hold up. Wait a minute. Quando hanging out and welcome Earth and what the hell? Because you're gonna oh. Wow. Excuse me, what are you actually? Damn, boy, yo. Yeah, you like it. Oh, get out of here. Oh, what the hell? Wow. Wow, and yeah, that's good. Oh, as in Manchester, you fire.
Fucking bitch.
Oh my God. Oh. Oh, oh my goodness, break him, John. Oh my God, you, don't kill me, don't kill me. Get out. Oh, idiot. My brother is breaking a house and stealing the TV. Oh my God. Ooh, this is so goofy, huh? You dumb as hell. Hey, bro, I got a phone call. What the? Huh? Are we supposed to drive this? Yeah, maybe. We'll see. Oh my God, he's driving. Look at that, guys. Oh my God. Oh, I fell down. Okay, so hey, bro, watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro. Watch it. Oh my God. Boy, you. Oh my God, boy, of you. Because you know. Oh no, no, no. Whoa. It does show all the sanity because it's future right now. Dow. My husband. Hey dog, can you get some ice cream please? Wait, where is he? I don't know. Ooh, happy birthday everyone. So now can I have cake? Ha ha ha, you already know. If you do this again, because you shall this consume this masterpiece together. What? Oh my God, you're alive, right buddy? So this is a video games you wanna play about that. So, what do you mean by that? We always like to have some cheeseburger sandwich. What he's talking about? I like to go to bed right now. I'm going. Bye-bye. You're not going anywhere. I'm gonna take you. Oh, no, no, no. Please don't tell me. Oh, we like to kiss you. Oh, yeah. Woo-hoo! Yeah. Bah, 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 bah. Oh. Thanks for reading the thing on Windows 7. Thank you very much, guys. That's why, because the particular, I thought I have a big news in it. Because you know what? Ooh. I want to touch grass. Oh, man, if you don't get that, what the? Oh, what the fuck? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Squid Game right here. Because of the your bits of here. So the Squid Game is really fun. I like to go there. Looks like sensory playground. Yes, I know. Uh-oh. What's going on? I'm scared here. Can I please touch your baggies? Yeah, I'll kill you with this. Here I come. Oh, cool. Don't worry, you're safe now. What the hell? Oh my God, why am in Squid Game? Oh my God, we here. What I'm gonna do? Now, after that, when he's gone, it's time to do something. When he kills the front man, it's time to do to him. Because I like a goji and then oh my goodness. So it's their time. There, put Parrot into the movies called All of Us Are Dead. Why he wants to put it? Let's check him. Put this on and finished. Nice. Oh my God, what is that? All of us dead? Let's see the zombie. Let's eat it. Oh, he's dead. Oh my goodness, man, if you don't know, because oh, what the hell? Oh my goodness, and Sasa. Oh, let's do it. Oh my god, if you never. Ouch. I'm okay. Let's go. Hey, your pizza view. Oh my god. I wanted somebody if you want a cheeseburger. Oh. Ooh. Oh my god, don't kill me. Ooh. He wants Mobius. You want Mobius? Yeah. Oh, break him, John. Haha, you already know. I'm gonna get something. Hey, you, Parrot, I got something special for you. Spider. No, don't kill me, don't kill me. Yes, yum. I'm going to outside. Bonk. So this is a goofy out, bro. You dumbass. Oh. No. Oh. Beep, 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 beep. Who's calling me? Finish your mission once and for all, Parrot. Okay, let's go. You stupid. Hey, ducks. Oh, wow. Oh my god, what's ducks doing? Oh my. Okay, so looks like the ducks are stupid. Wait a minute. What the? Ah! Bonk. This is so goofy, bro. This is so goofy, bro. This is so goofy, bro. Come here. No. You're gonna pay for this. Hey Teddy, I got a question for you. Why ducks always hate me? Hell. Because he was disgusting, he doesn't like you. So it's time for my revenge. Yeah, let's go. And now it's time to fight. Rawr! Rawr! Time to kill ducks. We like to call it. Bonk. Go to meet the duck. Okay, oh. Let's go. So we have to go. Come back. That's it. It's time for it. Hey Teddy, you can help me. Defeat the dogs. Hurry. Say sorry. Say sorry. Yeah, good friend. Oh, Teddy dies. He bites him. No. But now he's dead. Welcome. Because having a plan now. So watch this. What the? No. So this is a time machine, a parrot. So it's now your turn. Oh hell no! Excuse me, running actual. Oh. Bonk. Both of you, then let's go. Oh my god, now. Where am I? Ayo, pizza beer. Oh my god, no. Oh my god, it was stuck in time. See me sus lately. Looks like I have a posture among us. Rah! Let's go. Wait, where did the far did he go? Oh. You smell like you farted. Cool. Cool. Oh, ouch. Cool. Cool. You're not a guy. Okay, guys, time to take a shower. Yeah, shower's nice. I like it. I love shower. You know what, guys? I'm gonna use the soap for this. So, Teddy Gaming always use soap. Nice. Uh-oh, what's gonna happen? Oh. Guys, I think I used the wrong bar of soap. You stupid. Oh my god. Oh. So let me clear. Yeah, who is it? Hey, do you wanna come shower with me? Yeah, come over, kiss me on a hot mouth. Uh-oh. Oh. Bonk. Oh, ouch. Let's play a keyboard. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hell no. Ooh. Boom. We have to meet the duck cheeks. Let's go. Yeah. What? Hello. Bonk. Oh my god, it's a transformer. Dun 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 dun. Check me out. Dun dun dun. Yeah, I like to sing. Yay! What? Bro, turn it off. Oh my god, then what the fuck? So greetings. Yes, hello, what do you need? It's your friend, I'm Teddy, go away. Man, if you don't get out, now it's time to go. No. What? Come on, stupid man. Boink. Oh, hold up. Wait a minute. Gotcha. Da. Bonk. Now I have a gun. Now it's time to force you. Haha. Uh-oh. Wah. Ooh. We got one enemy died. Now it's moment time. Yeah, McDonald's my favorite. Let's eat it. But go away, dummy. Now I have a gun. I got a surprise for you. What is it? What the hell? Ka! Bonk. I have a pet rock. Look. This is okay for y'all, bro. See good. Oh. Get out. No. Hey, where's mine? You're being such an idiot, Parrot, because you lost the pet rock from button side out. So give them back. My name is Gustavo, but you can call me Sus. Uh-oh. Don't kill me. I got ya. Oh my gosh, and that bong, that ekutisa, bacha. Let's try ourselves a fan. Let's go. Whoa, cool. Bong. Hey Steve, it's coming in mail today, but these nuts, got it. Get yourself a haircut, you stupid. Nah, you stupid. Oh my god, this is some dumb as hell. This is so good for y'all, bro, because of that. And you quack. Oh my god. Simakama Edwu. It was Sunday, right? Hey Donovan, can you get some ice cream? What the frick is that? You like my belly? Ouch. Oh my god. Go away, dummy. I'll swear on you. Break him, John. Yeah, because you like it quickly. Oh, Bong. Happy Halloween, everyone. Today I'm gonna have some candy. Let's take a look. Yeah, let's open it. Uh-oh. No. This is a good VR, bro. Among Us. Ew, you farted. Connection terminated. Cool. Happy Halloween. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Bong. Shoo.